What's good, YouTube? It's the BowTie Fragrance Guy, man. On this channel, we focus primarily on fragrances, but also like to throw in some style and some grooming tips. So if you're into that, which I hope, honestly, at this point, most of you guys are, make sure you hit subscribe. Don't forget to enable notifications by hitting the bell icon as well. So anytime a new video is uploaded on YouTube, you get notified. On today's video, guys, I'm going to be talking about my summer fragrance starting lineup. Now, I'm a huge NBA fan, so you guys know a good starting five. You have your point guard, your shooting guard, your small forward, your power forward in the center. And I think any great team has a good bench, especially a great six-man, all right? So I got 6 fragrances that I want to talk about. And I use these fragrances for different things. And I want to kind of relate that to the reason that I use these fragrances to the position that I've given them on the starting lineup. So this should be fun. If you want to see what made my fragrance starting lineup, summer fragrance starting lineup, then you know the routine, man. Keep it locked right here. Let's get into it. It's go time for showtime. It's flow time. Ah, boy, I'm right. Do this, man. I'm saying. Stay tuned.
The BowTie Fragrance Guy.
All right, guys, we're back. Thank you so much for keeping it locked in. We're going to jump right into this video, man. For the sixth man, and it's not that this is not a great player, but it's a little bit more recent acquisition to the team. So deserves a lot of playing time in the rotation for this summer. But for right now, because it's a little bit newer, I'm going to put it as the sixth man. I'm talking about from Jerjoff, man, Torino 21. I absolutely love this stuff. I've been wearing it a lot. This is mint. This is thyme, this is basil, this is lavender. This thing smells heavenly, man. I just can't get enough of it. It's kind of a mixture of a lot of different fragrances that I love. Sedley comes to mind. It has a nice kind of mint note up top. Kind of puts me in the mindset of a kind of fragrance, kind of like Sedley. But I like this one even more than Sedley because it has a little bit more complexity to it. Again, I've been wearing this a lot this summer. I know it was in my 10 summer fragrances, niche fragrances this year, and this is one that has been in pretty heavy rotation. I don't know if you can see the dent, but yeah. I'm just saying, man, it is what it is. I really like this one because you can never go wrong with a fresh, clean, like minty fragrance, and that's what I get in this, man. I think there's blackcurrant in this as well. Just love the way that it plays on my skin. I love fragrances with mint in the summertime because, again, it does kind of give this nice, fresh, cooling kind of sensation. It's a very fresh scent profile, and I love that when it's really hot outside. So my sixth man right now for my fragrance starting lineup for summer is going to be Torino 21 from Jerjoff. I've been rocking the heck out of this thing. And now your starting lineup. I gotta remember the Bulls back in the day. Well, my starting point guard, man, it's going to be one from Louis Vuitton. I didn't talk about this one before this summer, but honestly, even by name, this is probably one of their better summer fragrances, or it's definitely made for summer. I'm talking about Afternoon Swim from Louis Vuitton. This one right here is really ambergris, ginger, a mandarin orange. It's just again, it smells like summertime. It smells like your poolside. You know, that's exactly what this fragrance smells like. So it is a very aquatic, aquatic scent profile. And like I said, it's made for the summertime. So I know there's a lot of other ones from Louis Vuitton that I talk about more than this one. But as you can see, I rock it quite a bit. When summer rolls around, this is in high rotation for me. Although it may not have made my summer list, quote unquote, this year, it's still one that I reach for often as a grab and go. Your point guard has to be able to dish out those assists, in this case, compliments. And honestly, anything from Louis Vuitton gets the job done when it comes to compliments. So definitely a summer staple for me from Louis Vuitton, Afternoon Swim. All right, guys, I know a lot of the fragrances I talk about sometimes are a little bit more on the expensive side. Some of the fragrances I talk about, but that's why I appreciate today's sponsor, who is ScentBird, who is sponsoring today's video. A good way that you can save money on fragrances and try fragrances before you buy is by using a subscription service like ScentBird. There's a quiz that you can take on their website and get some personalized recommendations based on the way that you answer the questions on the quiz. They give you some great recommendations based on your preferences. Now, I love ScentBird because they have over 900 fragrances. I'm talking about designer and niche fragrances. So a lot of different brands to choose from designer fragrance companies like Prada on down to, niche fragrance brands like Parfums and Marley. There's a lot of different fragrances that you can choose from and find something that you can make your signature scent. Now, when you get your package in the mail, it's gonna come in a little atomizer like this, which is dope. And it says ScentBird on it. It has a locking mechanism here. And all you do is turn the fragrance this way and it unlocks. And inside, you will find your fragrance. This one I got this week, or this month, I'm sorry, it's called Clean Reserve. Honestly, this was one of my favorites. They even send you a little card that has the notes on it. And the notes in this one some of the main notes is incense, honeysuckle, oud, jasmine, and magnolia. So it has a very floral presence, but that oud kind of grounds the fragrance. And this, guys, lasts you almost 30 days, right? It lasts you almost 30 days. So you can try the fragrance out. The first month off, they're gonna give you 55%. If you use my code, which I will put here on the screen, just use my code, and again, you'll save up to 55% off that first month, which will bring it to $8. And then moving forward, if you choose to keep utilizing ScentBird, it is only going to be less than $17. And you get about 30-day supply of fragrance to really try it, to see if you like it before you decide to make, an investment into a full bottle. This month, I also received Terre Inde, which is probably my second favorite one. Again, it's called Terre Inde from a brand called Maison de Lassie. And I've never ever heard of that brand or tried anything from that brand, but this was probably my second favorite. This features orange, turmeric, and saffron. I also got a chance to try Devour. This is by English Laundry, man. I'm gonna do a full video on English Laundry. I have about 12 or 13 of their fragrances, really inexpensive. You can find them a lot of times, but this one was pretty nice too. And this one had bergamot, mandarin, black pepper, patchouli, and sandalwood. And lastly, there was a fragrance called Who is Elijah? All right, Who is Elijah? And this was actually from a company or a brand, Electric Soul. It's a floral, musky, spicy fragrance with pink pepper, pear, raspberry, peach, and jasmine. Actually, the more I think about it, this was probably my favorite that I tried. Because again, it's something I've never heard of this particular brand, but when I sprayed the fragrance on, now I'm thinking about it, this was actually my favorite. Yeah. By far, this was my favorite. I apologize. This was definitely my favorite. Who is Elijah? Never heard of this brand, but now I'm interested in, just kind of exploring the house a little bit more and seeing what they have to offer, because I really, really like this fragrance. But again, guys, 4 different fragrances. And again, $8. Use the code $8 for your first month, and then moving forward, less than $17 to have almost an entire month's worth of a fragrance to try it before you buy it. So if you're interested in using ScentBird, make sure you click on that link down below or scan the QR code and go ahead and find some fragrances, experiment with them, and see if you'll be able to find your signature scent by sampling and trying it before you buy it. So make sure you click on the link or the QR code and give ScentBird a try. It's definitely worth the investment. All right, guys, now my shooting guard, man, this is just somebody is a very consistent fragrance. It has always been over the course of the years. And I like, when I talk about my shooting guard, my toot guard, I want something that's very consistent. I need that consistent shot, that consistent bucket making, and this is definitely that for me. From the brand of Creed, I'm talking about Millesime Imperial Liquid Gold in a bottle. This is ambergris, black currant, orris, and sandalwood. Again, I'm gonna simplify what this smells like. It smells like the ocean sea with watermelon with a little bit of salt sprinkled on top of it. Again, although I'm not a fan of sprinkling salt on watermelon, a lot of people do, and that's honestly what this smells like. Fantastic fragrance, again, liquid gold in a bottle. Definitely one of those consistent fragrances for me during the summertime. Check out Millesime Imperial from Creed. Magnificent stuff. All right, guys, now a good small forward should be able to do it all. I mean, they can score, they can rebound, they can assist, they can defend, everything. And I think a great do-it-all fragrance for the summertime. I've been loving the heck out of this fragrance. One of the best things I've ever smelled, honestly, 1872 from Clive Christian. I know I've talked about it a lot recently, but it's for good reason. Petitgrain, lavender, nutmeg, freesia, and cedarwood. Gosh, this smells fantastic. Seriously, I'm not exaggerating the point. I'm not exaggerating the point. This thing smells absolutely amazing. Like I said, it's kind of a fragrance that does it all. And it's very versatile. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear this casually, you can wear this black tie in the summertime. That's how good this stuff is and how versatile it is. So it definitely does it all, and I've been loving the heck out of it. From the brand of Clive Christian, this is 1872. Amazing fragrance. All right, guys, when we think powerful, you need something that's powerful, that does all the heavy lifting. And I got a powerful fragrance in my starting lineup this summer from the brand of Unique Luxury. I've talked about it a few times already. Ocean the Reeve. Man, amazing stuff, guys. What you get here is chamomile, basil, ambergris. And then on that dry down, you get some patchouli and vanilla. And I think I gave a very practical example of what this smells like, which I think was really, really spot on when it as it pertains to what this smells like. So I won't go through it again, but those that have been following the channel, you know how I describe this fragrance. It's aquatic up top, and as it dries down, it gets very woody and vanillic. It's a very woody, kind of sweet, ambery vanilla dry down that lasts forever. Definitely a powerhouse kind of fragrance, but it's really fresh and aquatic at the same time. And I think that's kind of the thing that draws a lot of people to this fragrance. It is really, really well done. Absolutely love this stuff from Unique Luxury. It's been selling out places, so sometimes it's a little bit hard to find. If I can find it, I'll link it to the video. Extrait de Parfums. So again, you get the performance here. It's great from Unique Luxury. Definitely get your nose on this one, fellas. Ocean the Reeve. And of course, at the center position, you need another fragrance that is very powerful and versatile at the same time. And that's exactly what this fragrance is for me. It delivers versatility and power in the summertime. And I'm talking about a fragrance I've talked about a lot from the brand of Amouage, which is one of my favorite fragrances from the house. I'm talking about Beach Hut, man. Beach Hut. Galbanum mint, orange blossom, and vetiver are some of the main notes. Man, wow. Amouage, bring this fragrance back, please. Please bring this fragrance back. This is, like I said, one of my favorites from the entire Amouage house. And that's saying something because I have a lot of Amouage fragrances in my collection, but this is one of my favorites because I've said it so many times, but I will say it again. Mint to me is so fresh, but at the same time, for me, I think gentlemanly, because when you wear a suit, for whatever reason, in the summertime, you definitely are going to want to stay, want to be as cool as possible. And mint kind of helps in a weird way for me to stay cool in the summertime because it has this cooling sensation about it. It smells clean, and that makes sense. And I just love this fragrance. It's very, very classy. So again, it just pairs well with the suit. Always one when I'm dressed up that I like to reach for when it is hot outside. And again, for me, this thing really performs on my skin, so it definitely covers that powerful base that I was talking about. Amazing fragrance. So this will be my starting center for my starting lineup of summer fragrances from the brand of Amouage. This is Beach Hut, man. But that is it, guys. That is my time. I hope you enjoyed this video today as I gave you my summer fragrance starting lineup. As always, I sincerely appreciate you guys' time and attention to these videos. You don't have to watch, but you do. And I sincerely appreciate it. Now, don't forget to take a few moments to like, comment, and subscribe. Please make sure you are sharing these videos out to some other folks out there that you think could use the information or find it entertaining. Because I'm your guy, Darren. I'm the BowTie fragrance guy. I love to look good, and of course, I love to smell fantastic. So until next time, keep looking good, keep smelling even better. I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.